It has been a long time since I've done a challenge here, but alas, I'm back. This is your newest 14-day workout challenge just in time for summer. This 14-day challenge is perfect for beginners or for anyone looking to get back into the habit of working out. This will help you become consistent with workouts that are actually fun, that you can look forward to, and that will help you feel so good and so accomplished when you're done with them. If you have been down in a slump, stuck in a rut, and have just been having a hard time of getting yourself up and getting the ball rolling and getting started, then this is the perfect challenge for you. A lot of times when we're starting with a new workout routine, or we want to start a new challenge or challenge ourselves or commit to anything, we tend to go very extreme. Like you might want to go super hard, super intense, and then after like day 3 or 4, you burn out and you end up falling off the wagon. And that is not what is happening this time. We're not gonna do that this time. For this challenge, we start more gentle and we slowly work our way up to the more intense and harder routines. We have some lazy girl workouts sprinkled in between workout days to give your body a little break. And there's no equipment for this routine, so no excuses, because you can do this anytime, anywhere. So most of the workouts are pretty short. As you can see from the schedule here, most of them are less than 15 minutes a day. Some days we have a little bit longer, but it's a lot of Pilates inspired moves, a lot of gentle ways to move your body. And in the second week, we do a little bit more cardio, a little bit more intense exercises to really get your blood pumping. But I promise, like even during the harder workouts, you're gonna feel so good and so accomplished after that you're gonna wanna come back for more. The workout for day 1 is a new workout, and that will be uploaded Monday, May 20th at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so depending when you're watching this, it's probably already up or maybe it's not. And then we have another new workout that's gonna be uploaded the Monday after that. I don't even know what day of the month that is, but Monday, this day, it's gonna be up at 9 a.m. Eastern as well. So make sure you turn on those post notifications, add it to your calendar so that you don't miss it, and we can do this challenge together. And if you're watching this after the start of the challenge, it doesn't matter. You can start this challenge whenever you want. So if you go to the link in my description, you'll see I have all the days with all the workouts you're gonna do for each day. If you're looking for something a little bit more intense, something with weights, or you're looking for something more to do when you're done with the 2-week challenge, we do have summer camp. It's a 4-week program that uses weights to really grow muscle, sculpt your body, but also Pilates for flexibility, for core strength, balance, lengthening, and just feeling like feminine and graceful and fun. Of course, we also have dance workouts in there because it's summer and we're having a party. The Latin dance party workouts are so much fun. Like when we do them together, like those are probably my favorite workouts to film like ever. Regardless of which challenge you're doing, whether you're here on YouTube or on Daily Thrive, I am so excited to do this together, and I'm so grateful that you have decided to make me your workout coach and work out with me. I love being your little workout wellness bestie, okay? Pushing you along on this journey. With every workout that you do and every day that you show up for yourself, you get better, you get stronger, and you will be amazed at the confidence you will gain, the strength you will gain, and how good you're gonna feel about yourself if you just stick through it, hold yourself accountable, and show up for yourself, because you deserve it. Like you deserve to feel good and find that best version of yourself. So set your alarms, and I will see you back here for day 1 workout. Let's go.